Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you that how you can make your PC or laptop fast. So if you want to know, so don't try to skip this video from any point. So first of all, you have to type for Windows plus R. After that you will see this type of interface. Now you have to search for type for temp. Okay, here you can see TEMP, then click on OK button. After that you will see this type of interface and you will see there are many temp files. Okay, so now you have to select all of these temp files, then right click on this and click on delete button. Okay, so by using this method you can delete temp files from your PC. Then go back and again type for Windows plus R. Okay, then you have to type for percentage temp percentage. Okay, you have to type for percentage temp percentage. Okay, then click on OK button. After that you will see this type of interface. Now you have to delete all these temp files. Okay, so click Ctrl plus A, then right click on this and click on delete button. Okay, then click on skip and again click on skip. Okay, so by using this method you can delete temp files from your PC. Okay, so the third way to increase your PC speed is you have to open this PC. Okay, after that you have to click on local disk C, right click on this, click on properties, then you have to click on disk cleanup. Okay, then using this method you can make your PC fast. Okay, click on OK button, click on delete files. So by using these three methods you can make your PC super fast. I hope so you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for watching this video.